Hello everybody, and once again I'm doing a drawing with my Rotring Isograph in my Pentalic Sketchbook. And as you can see here, I have a piece of rubber band holding the sketchbook down on the one edge so that the sides of the paper don't come up and get in the way. But in other news and some things that I've been working on, I started working out again today. I switched from doing a powerlifting style of lifting and I started working on more of a bodybuilding style, to where what I'm doing is I'm doing 5 sets and 15 reps of each set. My body isn't used to doing the higher reps, and all the sets combined, it's 150 reps for each workout that I do for every body part. For example, today I started out with straight leg deadlifts, and after that I followed it up with bent over rows, and then I did some leg press, bicep curls, calf raises, and then I did some setups. And then after I was done doing all of that, I did some stretches for my legs and my arms and upper body, but I focused primarily on doing a lot of stretches on my legs and my lower body. Depending on the exercise that I've done, I'll do a full body stretch after I'm done working out, but whatever the focus of that workout was, I'll do most of the stretches for those body parts. Like today, for example, I stretched more so my legs, specifically my quads, my hamstrings, my calves, and I stretched my lower back, biceps, and abdominals. I prefer to stretch after I'm done working out because I have noticed that when I try to stretch before I work out, that I have a little bit of a loss of strength, and I usually end up having problems with muscle cramps and other issues. So I warm up, and then I start my workout. Then after the workout, I followed up with doing some stretches. And also, I noticed that when it comes to doing high reps for my workouts, if I'm doing, let's say for example, bench press. Like right now, my maximum 1 rep max for bench press will be 275 pounds. So if you compare what I can do at 275 compared to what I can do for, say, 10 reps, the most weight I can do for 10 reps is almost 100 pounds less than what my 1 rep max is. So my 1 rep max will be 275, whereas right now for 10 reps, I might be able to get 185, but more likely 175. And it's the same with deadlifts or squats or any other exercise. What I can do for 8 to 10 reps is way lower, far lower than what a lot of people do for the exercise in comparison to their 1 rep max. Another example of this would be like doing squats. Like right now, I could probably do about, I would say around 600 pounds for 1 rep max for squats. But when it comes to doing 10 reps, I can only do about 315 pounds to like 330, which is barely more than half of my 1 rep max. So I don't know how that works out. It's really strange. I've always just been really good at powerlifting, sprinting, really fast movement, and lifting a lot of weight. I've always struggled with doing higher reps, but we'll get there and plan on gaining a bit more muscle rather than trying to gain so much strength. I'll try to figure out a way to incorporate this into my channel, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.